A Discover Year is a purposeful year of action, openness, and authenticity. But what does that actually entail? A Discover Year starts off with summer orientation, a time for you to become familiar with the program and our community. Our job search phase focuses on equipping you with the tools to find paid work that will help you develop your unique potential. Some of our participants have previous work experience, while others may be looking for their very first job. Work is a key component of a Discover Year as it encourages experiential learning and skill application while also allowing you to earn your own savings. At Discover Year, we recognize that everyone has different skills, interests, and expectations when it comes to employment. One day every week, Discovery Day, you will all come together for fun and engaging education. These days are dedicated to skills workshops, career conversations, and group discussion. Every Discover Year student is assigned to a personal life path coach. During your monthly individual meetings with your coach, you will gain a better understanding of how you can make use of your authentic interests, values, and talents. Your coach will aim to help you increase your confidence and self-awareness to incite meaningful action in your life. After several months of working, you will be encouraged to explore the world. The travel component of the program is intended to enlarge your worldview and build your confidence while stepping outside of your comfort zone. Whether you want to travel to Montreal, Marseille, or Manila during your trip, our travel experts will provide guidance and helpful suggestions as you prepare for your journey. With the Community Project, we aim to create a spark for you with regards to a particular social issue. At Discover Year, we strongly believe that community service is best when the mission and job tasks closely align with your individual interests, talents, and values. Every Discover Year is unique, and by the end, you'll have your own set of incredible experiences, opportunities, skills, and growth that you can take with you for the rest of your life.